Hello and welcome to Ellen Ruth Soap. I'm Ellen and today I am making a foodie fruity inspired soap using this awesome fragrance, Banana, straight up banana from Crafter's Choice, which is Wholesale Supply Plus, and it really does smell true. It smells like bananas. Not a lot of other bells and whistles going on. It does have a little vanillin, vanillin in it at about 1%. So I'm going to put just a touch of titanium dioxide in my aloe vera liquid lye solution. And for the colorants I'm going to be using, I have this organic turmeric powder, since, you know, banana's foodie, so I thought I'd go with that. It's this gorgeous color. It doesn't stay this color in soap. It does sort of saponify to a sort of a rusty yellow, brownish color, but it's beautiful. So we're going to use that for the yellow banana portion. And then I got this at Walmart, of all places, dried hibiscus flower powder. And look at that color. It's beautiful. I have no idea if it's going to stay that color, but we're going to try it today for a swirl. Come along with me and we'll give this a test run in soap and see how it performs. Hibiscus is great though. It's antioxidant and it's just good. So that's going to go in for a color swirl. And also, last time I made a banana soap, I used organic bananas and I mashed and made a puree. Well, and it was great. It made a fantastic bar of soap. I loved it. But it did oxidize and make some little brown spots, which doesn't bother me. But anyway, today I'm going to try this banana powder. And this is just literally dehydrated bananas. That's all that's in here. So I'm going to try that for my banana portion with my banana fragrance. And I actually don't like bananas that much. My husband loves bananas, so I'll be thinking about him when I make this. But I like the smell of them. I like a, you know, good banana, what are those called? The floats, the ice cream floats, where they do the different scoops. Banana split, that's what it is. I like those. So anyway, I don't know why I went off on that, but we're going to make some banana soap today. Come along with me and we'll get fruity. Let's make some soap. And if you enjoy watching my videos, please consider hitting the like button and subscribe and the bell for notifications. And I'm on Instagram and Facebook too. So I've got all my butters and hard oils melted and my liquid oils in here. And for my liquid olive oil, I used a calendula infused olive oil for this, so it smells divine. It won't come through the calendula scent, won't make it through the saponification process, but boy, I love that. I just thought it would add just some, since we're doing the herb and the natural coloring here with the turmeric and the hibiscus, the calendula oil kind of spoke to me. So I'm going to be adding my additives to my oils, which is my kaolin clay, and this is a 2 tablespoon scoop. So that goes in. My organic colloidal oats, 2 tablespoons. And let me grab my little banana powder here. I'm going to put that in here. So this is a little teaspoon. Oh, it's kind of chunky. Let's see if I can break up some of those chunks. So here's a teaspoon, so we'll do 1, 2, 3. So we'll do a tablespoon. That was a nice rounded tablespoon of the banana powder. And boy, that smells good. I mean, it's literally just dehydrated bananas, so it smells really fruity and delicious. So I'm going to get this all blended in here and kind of anchored into the oils and let them sit while my aloe vera lye solution is cooling. And we've got everything ready to go here. I do have my fragrance in my oils with all the additives. And here is my aloe vera lye solution with, I put about a teaspoon of titanium dioxide in there because of the vanillin in the fragrance, just to keep things on the lighter side. I'm not trying to get a bright white, but just trying to keep it in the, you know, not to get too brown, so that those colors will show up. So we will hand stir this until we get emulsion, and then split off for our colors and stick blend after that as needed. Now this fragrance says that it doesn't cause acceleration, so hopefully it'll behave really well. That banana fragrance smells really good. I don't know why, I'm just not a banana fan. They just don't. I like apples and oranges, but bananas have never really been my jam, so I don't know. My husband, he has a banana pretty much every day. They're a great food source, but not my thing. So let's Let's see. Oh yeah, it's getting dark already, but not bad. And there's a little bit of oil. I don't know if you can see, so we're just going to keep stirring for a minute here. Get my buckets for my colors pulled over. There we go. I think I'll do my hibiscus flower powder in here. I don't know how much I'll do. Let's do 2 scoops in there and see how that looks. We can always add more later if we want. And we'll do our turmeric in here. Gorgeous, gorgeous. There we go. I'll just stir this to start with, make sure everything's behaving, and then we can go ahead and stick blend. Ooh, that looks like it's going to be pretty. It's kind of a pinky purple. I'm excited. I hope that color sticks around. This will be really fun if it does. It's got little flecks in there. It looks like it might have a mild exfoliation to it also, which is fine. Boy, that's pretty. I can't wait to see how this looks after it cures. That is a really interesting color. That is the hibiscus flower powder, and this is the turmeric, and I'm really pleased with how yellow the turmeric stayed. That's really pretty, and the banana fragrance is very strong. So these are wonderful. I'm really happy with them.